very good morning to everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. This is Alan from Spotless Carpet Clean. We are located in Rehoboth, Massachusetts. Our telephone number is 774-265-7111. Hope everybody had a great weekend. It was a beautiful weekend. The sun was out, so you can't ask for anything else better. God is great all the time. I'm out in Fall River this morning. I'll be doing 2 rooms of carpet for a client of mine. He has a lot of apartments, so when the customer moves out, he calls me in to have the carpets cleaned and have it ready for the new tenant that's coming in. Let me flip the camera around so you can see the condition of the carpets. This is what I'm dealing with this morning. This is like a small living room, dining room combo. There's a lot of stuff on the floor. They did not vacuum before they leave. So you can tell this is where they had like the table. And you can see the imprint of the feet from the table. And you can see the main traffic area. Everything is laid out properly for you here. This part right here is the clean track. Comes out from the kitchen. So I'll be doing my best for this client. Never over promise, and you know how that goes. Just do what you can do for them. As I said, they never vacuum. Maybe since they were living here. This is behind this small dresser. I told them I'm just going to be moving this and putting this back. I'm not going to be straining myself. Small closet inside here. A lot of M&Ms on the floor. They had a sweet tooth. And yes, you can see. So it's time to vacuum, get up all of this dry debris off the floor, and see what magic I can perform here for this customer of mine. vacuuming these 2 rooms of carpet, and look at the amount of dry soil that we collected out of these 2 rooms of carpet. And let me show you just what the vacuuming has done. Just a nice little vacuuming, get everything up off the carpet. Looks much better. You know, you're gonna still have all of those stuff there because I haven't put down the pre-sprays yet. I haven't agitated or scrub. And look how good these carpets are looking already. I just pushed this back where you can see everything behind here is nice and clean. So let me mix up my pre-spray, get it down, let it dwell, and start the cleaning. Alright guys. finished with this job in Fall River, and just look how beautiful this carpet came out. Beautiful, beautiful. And then my customer is going to be happy because he was wondering if he had to replace the carpets, but when he come and he see this job, he will be happy. We have a little bit of wear and tear here, but you can see where they had the tables and all the traction from their feet rubbing. It kind of become like abrasive, and then you destroy the fiber on top there. But overall, everything came out beautiful. And you have the bedroom. Also, there was one right here. Still you can see a little bit of the shadow, but it's all gone. It's the best I'm gonna get it for him, but it's better than nothing. This is another one done by Spotless. Got a closet inside. Yes guys, it's that time once again. The season is here. The weather is getting better day by day. Give us a call at 774-265-7111. You can text me, you can call me, you can also email me at clean with a KLEAN 336@gmail.com. Let me know what you have, what you want to have clean, and we can set up an appointment to have those carpet, upholsteries, tile and grout, dryer vent clean and ready for spring and summer. So guys, enjoy the rest of your day. It's a beautiful one, and I shall see you on the other one. Okay guys, I'm going to show you the dump from this vacuum canister, what I get out of those two rooms this morning. That. I still have my gloves on, so I'm just going to take the rest out by hand. So, look at that. Look out. The dry soil pit here. All the grits that was in the carpet.